my flower. I just wanted to, I just wanted to make this video to show you how much we love you. Um, Last night, after you told me what you were feeling, I wrote you a poem, and I hope it just, I hope it just fills you with love and, and helps you, and know that we love you. And we want you to be happy. Um, Poem's called Three Lovebirds. Three lovebirds, how beautiful we are, our love so innocent, so pure, in harmony we are. Two of the birds sing their song for the third, a beautiful tune, so soft and sweet. If God were to translate, the song would be this: we love you, we love you, we love you. You're beautiful, you're lovely, you're graceful, you're kind and sweet. When we are around you, we are complete. We love you, we love you, we love you. Every day, we want you to smile. We want you to laugh. We want you to feel our love deep in your soul. You are precious to us, our everything, our world. Three lovebirds. It must be. It must be. It must be. This is a poem from both of us, Flower, to, to speak to you. We love you, Flower, very much. Very much.